Quick, what are you worth? Not vibes, the number. When researchers asked, 67% of Americans said they don't track their net worth at all, and 51% said they don't know how to calculate it. 22% think net worth is a term that only applies to rich people. It isn't. It's one subtraction. And tonight, we build the machine that does it for you. Every account, one screen, updated without you. Net worth is everything you own minus everything you owe. Assets minus debts. That's the entire idea. The reason nobody tracks it isn't math, it's plumbing. Your money lives in 8 different apps that don't talk to each other. Checking, savings, brokerage, retirement, the car loan, the credit cards, the house. 8 logins. So nobody looks. And what nobody looks at, nobody manages. The dashboard fixes the looking. Step 1, the skeleton. 1 spreadsheet. 4 columns, account, type, value, date. Every asset on top, cash, investments, retirement, property, at a number you could defend. Every debt below, cards, loans, mortgage. Liabilities are just negative assets wearing a different name. The net worth formula, sum of the top minus the sum of the bottom. 1 cell. The full skeleton is free in the description. Copy it in 5 minutes. Step 2, making it update itself. 3 tiers, rank from most to least automatic. Best tier, your bank and broker already export balances. Most will email you a statement CSV on a schedule. Middle tier, an aggregator app that syncs accounts and exports 1 file. The dashboard just reads its export. The manual floor, a 15-minute block on the first of the month. 8 numbers typed in. Even the dumb version beats not looking. Safety rule, always. The sheet stores balances. Never passwords, never logins. Nothing in this build can move a dollar. Step 3 is where it earns its keep. The monthly AI review. Paste the sheet. The prompt asks 3 things. What changed, what's off trend, and what needs a human decision. It catches the quiet stuff. A card balance creeping up 3 months straight, a savings rate that slipped, the account you forgot exists. Here's ours, for real. The channel's own books. Same experiment you've been watching since the bookkeeper episode. July, negative $329.17. The dashboard doesn't flatter. That's the point. The AI proposes. You decide. Same rule as every machine on this channel. The template and the review prompt are free below. Subscribe if you want the next machine we build. Where it breaks, honestly. 1. Property values. An online estimate is a guess wearing confidence. Use a number you'd defend and update it rarely. 2. Aggregators break connections constantly. The manual floor exists because sync always, eventually, doesn't. 3. The number will go down some months. Markets dip. A dashboard that only feels good in an upmarket is a mood ring, not a tool. The win isn't the number, it's that you finally look at it. 1 screen, once a month, no login marathon. Next, I hand an AI my budget for 30 days and count every mistake it makes. Every claim tonight is sourced in the description. I ran the numbers, now you can watch yours.